This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Evelyn Thomas. Beautiful 4-bedroom 3-bath home in sought-after River Bluff. The downstairs features an open floor plan and 3 BRs, including the primary suite and 2 full baths. Upstairs is a lovely in-law suite with a sitting area, bedroom, and full bath. Includes all appliances including new refrigerator, new dishwasher, washer, 1-year-old, and dryer. Fenced-in backyard, vinyl privacy fence, and patio. Spacious primary bedroom with cathedral ceiling. The family room boasts a natural gas fireplace. The kitchen has granite countertops with an eat-in kitchen area and pantry. The amenities include pool, clubhouse, and playgrounds. Great location, convenient to interstates, dining, and medical facilities. For more information, review the details below or contact Evelyn Thomas at 757-650-2449.